Hi, here again at our industry conference, APPO 2019, and I'm with Deppa of Uncluttered. She's on the West Coast. Where are you actually located?
Just north of Seattle, 20 minutes north of Seattle,
Okay.
in Linwood.
So we're coming from all over the place, and so Lynn, what's something that you've done for a client this past year that was important for them to have a photo organizer?
Oh, there's so many things that I do for my clients. It's fantastic. One of my favorite clients, and probably my largest client, her husband is the grandchild of a gentleman who founded the first Jewish homestead in New Jersey.
Oh.
And they have a bunch of documentation from the grandfather, and he was commissioned by Albert Einstein to go set up the first Jewish community in New Jersey. So I was able to scan documents that he is trying to get to a historical society, and I literally held a letter, many letters, written by Albert Einstein in German. And it was an actually fantastic experience. And once those got digitized, they're going to be able to be shared across the world, across the country, wherever it is that they want to share them. So it was a fantastic experience. The husband was thrilled because he finally had those documents digitized and he hadn't had time. And he's now able to send them on to a curator who is looking to procure all of these items. Mm-hmm. So it was a fantastic experience, and they were really, really happy about it.
And that wasn't even photos, that was memorabilia.
That wasn't even photos, that was memorabilia. Because as photo organizer, we're not only just dealing with photos,
right.
We're dealing with keepsakes, we're dealing with physical items and taking pictures of those so they can be shared throughout the families and with the other family members. Because it might be that there's a family of 8 kids, but there's only one item that was so special to the parents,
right.
But all 8 kids want that memory.
Yeah.
So if they have a digital memory, it can still bring back those feelings that item produces and those memories. So it's a way to share it across a whole family.
Yeah, great.
Great.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
And we'll have more from the conference later.